another day in life where I do unnecessary stuff that is necessary for YouTube. Today I'll be unboxing that. So I'm going to get it up on the table and unbox it. Let's go. Alright, well, we have a pretty big box and it has a bunch of labels covered up. There's another one on this side, but you know, so I got it on a very good deal. It's supposed to be a DJI SX2, but apparently it's a DJI X3, so let's see on the actual controller if it's actually an SX2. But it has some damage back here in the back corner, but other than that, it looks pretty good. So let's open it up. It still shows DJI SX3, so I'm still pretty convinced it's the next SX3, which will be pretty cool if it is. But I will see. It's pretty cool. It's pretty heavy too. But it seems solid. At least from where I'm coming from. It's gonna be a big upgrade. Alright, so last night was a very late night. It was very busy. I was doing homework really late. So I just finished filming, and today I'm just going to continue unboxing. So I'm going to take it out of this box here and see what it looks like. Let's continue. Alright, so it's an SX3 box still. So let's see if the SX2 is what I bought. That's what's on the inside. Anyway. They might have just shipped it in an SX3 box. Ooh. So it has these ones. Oh no, it's SX2. So it says right here on the phone that it's SX2. So I guess so. It looks like it's pretty well wrapped so that shipping does not damage it. Instead, it's gonna use plastic. It's not original shipping material stuff, but it's pretty much mostly postage. And we got something down here. So I'll just set this off to the side. And then the main show, the night, or the day. Oh, they got these. Oh, this is okay. Alright, well, that's it. There we go. So, it's actually an SX2 confirmed, and it's in great condition considering it's used. So that's good. All the knobs and buttons are here. There's no scratches on the jog wheels. So let's get into this bag. There's this mystery, probably of cables and cords. Let's go. So, power supply. Very big transformer. So I guess you might want to have a DJ case or something. So you can right there. So you can pioneer this. I'm gonna probably later in the video do a comparison. I should do a comparison on my old mixer and the new mixer. This is a much different feeling. And then USB cable to connect to the computer. Alright, so now I have everything together. So let's open up DJ Pro on the computer. So we got that going. And I got this plugged in, so let's see if it actually turns on. have light. So now, we'll see if the top where will acknowledge the controller. There we go. DJ2, please select the audio channels you want to use from this device. Main output, pre-queuing microphone. Okay. And we should be set up.
Everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Alright, so now we know that works. So, thank you for watching the video. This DJ controller works. I haven't tested all the inputs and outputs, but it should. So, yes.